Okay, yesterday we talked about how you can do a choice board, a token board, using the choices with the icons. So today we're going to do it with actual objects, which is another thing that my students are working on. So I'm giving my student over here, this is my kid, this is Ethan, a choice of a book, a toy, or some cereal. This is a mint container, by the way, and I really like these. I use these a lot in my class because, one, it's like a little bit more durable than a plastic bag to carry around, but it also is a little bit more secure as far as not being able to get into it as easily for some of my friends that like to figure out where their edible reinforcers are and get into them very quickly. So this is not something you have to have by any means, but something that I do like. So it's got some of his cereal in there that he likes. So he's going to pick which of these three things that he wants to work for. Okay, he's picked the toy that he wants to work for the toy. So I'm going to put on his token board, I'm going to put the toy right there. And I do still have his rules of what he's going to follow too, as far as using nice words and safe hands and listening to his teacher. So I'm putting that there. I'm going to take the other two reinforcers and move them out of the way so he can't see them, so they're not tempting. Okay, he's got a couple tasks that he's going to do. Now, if I was doing this in the class, I'd be going a lot faster than this, just because attention span and doing things. So he's going to sort by color. He has three colors. I've put out 3 little sheets of paper for him, just as placeholders for where to put them. He has blue, yellow, and red, and he's going to sort those by colors. Now he also has 3 more of each color for him to sort. So, and he's been sitting so nicely and patiently and doing what he's supposed to be doing and following his rules. So I'm going to give him a check mark for making great choices. So he has his first token towards his thing. Okay, he sorted by yellow. I'm going to give him another one. He sorted by blue. I'm going to give him another check. And he sorted by red. I'm going to give him another check. Okay, give me a high five. Great job. And he followed through with a motor imitation. So I'm going to give him another one. He has now earned his reinforcer. So he gets the hamburger toy. And he gets to play with that. And he's going to use 2 hands because that's a 2-handed toy, so that works in 2 hands. There you go. Okay. So that is how to do sorting by color with a object reinforcer.